Welcome to Jerusalem, the holy city of three religions, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. I invite you to join me while I explore this beautiful historical city. Let me tell you, there is no video that could do justice to this holy city. One should visit it in order to understand what I'm talking about. Walking through the colorful market, we reached the Western Wall, the holy site and a place for prayers for the Jewish people. Jewish people believe that a divine presence rests within the Western Wall, and there is a custom of putting personal prayers between the stones of the wall. Twice a year, thousands of notes are collected to ensure there is always room for more. The prayers are then buried on Jerusalem's Mount of Olives, in accordance with ritual.
We have souvenir shop, we have natural wood, olive wood from Bethlehem, pottery from Hebron, carpets from Turkish, from Afghanistan, from China, some of them. We have postcards, Syrian boxes,
Nice.
chess sets, backgammon game, a lot of things. Leather bags, also from Hebron.
Okay.
And we have icons. We make tree of life, madam, handmade, nice
Okay.
quality from the Holy Land.
Okay.
And we have Magan David, opal stones, and we have crosses. We have for all the religions.
What is this,
Muslims, Christian, Jewish,
Silver or gold?
silver,
Okay.
with a stamp, 925.
Okay.
My name is Muhammad.
Muhammad, it is very nice shop. Everyone
you.
should come and see the shop. He has very nice things inside.
Thank you.
And you can buy it. It's very nice, beautiful shop. When walking in the old city, make sure to stop at Abu Shukri's restaurant and have the famous hummus and falafel. We are walking to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre through the Via Dolorosa. It is a route through the old city of Jerusalem, believed to be the last path Jesus walked to his crucifixion. There are 14 stations along the path. Finally, we reached the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. The site is identified as the place both of the crucifixion and the tomb of Jesus. And now I'm walking to the holiest place, the Temple Mount. Okay, Wajid, please tell me about the place.
This mosque, madam, we call it Dome of the Rock because the dome covers the whole rock inside, rock Muraya. And the rock, madam, 18 meter long, 14 meter wide. When you go down 1.5 meter, you found cave. First person worshipped in the cave, Abraham. Abraham, father Isaac, father Ishmael, father of all. And Jewish believe Abraham want to offer Isaac in this rock. But Muslim believe from this rock in the year 614, in the holy night, angel Gabriel carry Muhammad to heaven. He has 600 wings. First sky they meet Adam, second Jesus and John Baptist, third Joseph son Jacob, four Idris, five Aaron, six Moses, seven Abraham. This mosque built 685 by Khalifa Abdul Malik to remember the ascension of Muhammad. And an engineer from town Bisan, his name Raja Kandi. Before he make the big mosque, he make the small model. Then when Khalifa like it, ask him to make it more big, 1 to 15. Ask him to do the mosque 8 side, because Quran said the throne of God in the judgment day will be carrying by 8 angels. Remember that he make it 8 side, every side is 20 meter. 4 doors, west door woman, north paradise, east mercy, south Qibla. This was bin Umayyad mosaic. But Sultan Sulaiman, he go to buy this ceramica from Iran, from city Kashan. We call it Kashani. Cost 27,000 gold money. And this is Madame 4 color. White cleaning and purity, green paradise, blue sky, yellow sand. And I will show you what is inside. See, Madame, this is here inside. How beautiful. This is, Madame, here, see the cave under the rock. And this is, Madame, here, the mosque inside. See how beautiful.
Shukran jazilan. To conclude my trip, I must say that Jerusalem is one of the most beautiful places in the world. Every time I visit Jerusalem, I discover something new and always leave with the feeling of coming back. No city in the world could overwhelm you emotionally like Jerusalem does. The atmosphere in the old city is charged with so many emotions. I felt like I was back in time.